Hey friends, and welcome back to our channel. As you've just seen, my SLOOM mattress has just arrived. The courier brought it in this box. I put the box on the base and I'm gonna unbox, and this whole thing is just gonna roll out and I'm gonna share this experience with you. And I've got so many great facts about this mattress and why I chose it to share with you as well. So stay tuned. Now, something that makes me really proud is that this is a local South African product. All the parts are sourced and made in South Africa, so they're not coming from anywhere else. As you know, I'm South African, and so this makes me super proud to be South African. Another reason I'm super interested in this brand is that you will know on our channel we love featuring products that have been invented by just normal people like you and I that saw a need, that realized, hang on, I got an idea, I can make this better, or hang on, nobody's thought of this yet, and they created something that just blows our minds. And this is the same concept. And that's exactly what happened here, because the owner worked in a foam factory, he then went on to own a bed shop, and the whole time being exposed to the bedding and mattress industry realized, hang on guys, there's a need here and I have a great idea. And that's when he invented SLOOM. And basically it's his answer to the perfect mattress. Now there's another reason why this mattress is so unique. It is completely adjustable, but more about that later. I can't wait to open this up now. Now in the rolled up mattress, there is this set of wonderful and clear instructions and a little tool here for cutting the plastic off. First, you're going to cut the outer layer of the plastic, then you're going to position the mattress, and then you will cut the inner layer of the plastic, and slowly but surely it will expand. It will take about 24 hours for the foam to be fully uncompressed. Now the whole process of unwrapping it and watching it expand actually happened so fast I almost didn't even capture it on video. But that's not the best part about the mattress. The best part about this mattress is that it is completely adjustable to your comfort level. Let me show you how. Now I've just assembled this mattress on my own base, but in fact SLOOM have the perfect base for you, and it's actually at such a good price as well, and it's made specifically for the SLOOM mattresses. Having said that, the SLOOM mattresses will fit on just about every single base that you could find. Now you'll see that I have the original mattress, and that is the flagship of the SLOOM collection. There is also the classic mattress. Now these are the differences. The original mattress is 25 centimeters thick, whereas the classic mattress is 20 centimeters thick. The original mattress is comfort adjustable, whereas the classic is a universal comfort. One of my favorite features about the original is that it is split in two. That means you can adjust the comfort level and firmness for one person, and that can be completely different for the other person. And that is very often the case, isn't it? With your partner, maybe your husband's a little bit bigger than you are, or maybe you just have an injury and your partner doesn't. Don't worry, you can adjust it separately. The original mattress has a 25-year service warranty, and the classic has a 20-year service warranty. The original mattress has 5 different layers of foam, whereas the classic only has 4. Now guys, check this out. You open the mattress cover and there are 2 completely separate parts to this mattress. And look, you've got your different foams. So now you can adjust. So now you're asking, how do we adjust this mattress? Now you'll see that we have distinct different colors of the foam here, and they've done that on purpose so that you can make the adjustments really easily. Now the white layer on top is for a softer feel, a softer mattress. The white foam is an ultra dense memory foam. To make your mattress medium firmness, you'll want to have your pink layer on top. Pink layer of foam is the latex foam. Now for medium firmness, you're going to want to have this blue layer on top. That is pure high density foam. And then if you're like me, that really likes a firm mattress, you're going to want to have this thick gray section on top. This is your core foam, which is that high density foam, and it serves as the core support for the entire mattress. After you make your adjustment, you simply put the cover on, and zip it all up. Now I know a lot of you are thinking, well, why would I need separate mattresses for me and my partner? Well, you'd be surprised. It's not only preference. Some partners may be experiencing weight gain or weight loss, and that affects how much firmness you want on your mattress. Some might have an injury, just undergone an operation or something. Some might be pregnant. These are all things that influence our preference in the firmness of our mattress. Oh, now I know how impressed you must be about all of this, but that's just the least of it, because I love brands and innovators that just stand behind their product. So they have this thing called the 100-night trial. Now listen to this. You get to use this mattress and you must adjust it to the firmness that you prefer. At least spend 30 days on the firmness that you choose, just to get a feel for things, because it takes a while for the body to get used to these things. Between 60 and 100 days, if you're not happy with your SLOOM mattress, they will arrange a free pickup and they'll give you a full refund. Now, have you ever heard of anything like that before after using a mattress for so long? That's how much they believe in their product. And the best of that is they will then donate that exact same mattress to a charity. I really like that. This mattress cover is completely machine washable, so it's easy to maintain. Also, the delivery is completely free. You're going to be able to get your mattress delivered to your door in that box for free. SLOOM claims that there is zero motion transfer on these mattresses. So I'm gonna put it to the test with this 10-kilogram weight. Let's see. I didn't even feel that. Wow. I am so impressed by SLOOM and their general brand ethos. It's really a fantastic product, a great invention, and I really encourage you to go check out their website and their social media. By going through their website, you're going to see the amount of passion that their owner and innovator has had for creating something truly special. Guys, thank you for watching my video review of the SLOOM mattress. Until next time, bye-bye.